Hi, I'm Chef Raphael, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Raphael, a show that is meant to make you a better home cook using everyday ingredients. Today, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get regular updates whenever I post a new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make eggs in tomato sauce. Well, it sounds so complicated, but it's a very simple recipe. For the ingredients, you need some eggs, chopped tomatoes. What I have here is about 4 chopped tomatoes, that's 4 large ones, 1 onion, 1 large onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. We'll also use some chopped coriander or parsley, some chili flakes, salt. By the way, whenever you want to heat up to add your oil, make sure that the pan is already hot, because what usually happens is that when the pan is cold, you tend to add slightly more oil than you need to. For the onion, you want it to slightly cook, not too brown. Don't want it brown, just want it to sweat it. I'm adding the onions together with the garlic. We want the onions to actually cook until they are softened. It's also called sweating your onions. Because I'm actually adding some chili flakes, you can add the chili flakes. Again, chili flakes is optional, just before the tomato. Or even green chilies. If you have green chilies, you can also use green chilies. So the idea right now is to make sure that the tomatoes are stewing and remove their liquid. At this stage, I'll add my salt, some black pepper, and at this stage, I'll cover the pot so that the tomatoes has time to simmer down. I'll also reduce the amount of heat so that the tomatoes cook until they are softened. So about 1 minute. At this stage, I can add a little bit of the chopped coriander. And then what I want to do is make holes where I'll add my egg. Since I have 4 eggs, I'll make about 4 holes. Now you break the egg on each hole you make. So if you want, depending on the size of your pan, you can make either 4, 2 or 3 eggs at a time. And just to finish on the egg, you add a little bit of salt on each egg and pepper. That's what you want. Now you can, on the heat, you actually need it to be on medium to low heat. We'll cover our pot and wait for the egg to cook. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes now, depending on how well done you want your egg to be cooked. Actually, it's about 4 minutes now, and the more the heat, the faster it will cook. But the idea is to have it, the egg here is firm, it's completely cooked, and all maybe you need to do is sprinkle coriander and serve. It's a meal that you can have at any time as far as I'm concerned. You can have it with bread, you can have it with rice, you can have it with ugali, you can have it, I think, with anything. Make sure that you actually subscribe to my channel so that, again, you're always reminded when I have a new recipe out. Until next time, I'm Chef Raphael.